How to watch YouTube without ads on LG TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube without ads on your LG Smart TV so you can enjoy your videos without interruptions. Method 1. Use YouTube Premium. This is the official and safest way to remove ads. Open YouTube on your phone or PC. Subscribe to YouTube Premium. Sign in with the same Google account on your LG TV. Ads will be automatically removed. Method 2. Cast YouTube from an ad-free browser, optional. Use a phone or laptop browser with an ad blocker installed, like Brave or Firefox plus uBlock Origin. Open YouTube and play any video. Tap the cast icon and select your LG TV. The video will play without ads on your TV. Method 3. Use a third-party YouTube app via web browser. Open the web browser app on your LG TV. Visit a YouTube alternative like YouTube Vanced for mobile casting or piped video. Watch videos there without ads. Note: these options work best when casting from your phone. Method 4. Use a DNS-based ad blocker, advanced. Set up an ad-blocking DNS like AdGuard DNS in your router. Go to your router settings and change the DNS to 094.140.14.14 and 94.140.15.15. This blocks many ads on smart TVs, including YouTube, not 100% guaranteed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you enjoy YouTube without ads on your LG TV, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.